Give me this.
Can you do that again?
Who give me this?
Nana gave that to you. Can you sing a song with him? Sing a song with him.
No, I don't.
What? You just did.
Let him sing it.
But you sing with him. Good job. See, baby sister likes watching. Was that fun?
Yeah.
All right.